Cheese straws are one of the easiest and best appetizers for entertaining a crowd. They're fast and simple to make when you need a last-minute party snack. Grate 2/3 of a cup of Parmesan or Romano cheese. Grind and add basil, oregano, black pepper, and toasted garlic. Mix the cheese and seasonings well. Beat an egg until it's foamy. Lightly flour your work surface. Unroll a sheet of puff pastry. Brush the top of the pastry with the beaten egg. Sprinkle the cheese and seasoning mixture on the pastry. Gently press it in. Using a pizza cutter or a large knife, cut the pastry into about 12 equal strips, each about 1 inch wide. Chill the pastry for 10 minutes. Twist up your strips, pressing the ends down to discourage unrolling. Bake the cheese straws in a 375-degree oven until they are crisp and golden brown. Let them cool. If you wish, serve them with warm marinara sauce or a cold dip. They're sure to be a hit at your party. Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.